Now I've got my outlines extruded, and I want to extrude the letters in my logo. Now there's a couple of ways to do this. I can extrude them as individual letters, or I can connect them all together and extrude this whole word as one piece. Now this will depend on whether you want to animate individual letters in the future, or if you're happy to animate the word as a whole. I'm going to connect this together and animate the word as a whole. So I've got a number of splines here. I've got a total of 5 splines. There's 2 that make up the O. I need these to be connected together because an extrude can only take a single path to extrude. So how do we do that? Let's go to our Create menu, and under Generators we want to create a Connect object. Now we can select all the curves from our word, not the group, just the curves, drag and drop them onto the Connect. Now what will happen is you might see some distortion of your curves, some strange things might happen with them. What we want to do is go to the Connect tool and turn off this Weld function. The Weld function is trying to actually join the vertices or points from the curves together. Turn that off, and that will preserve the curves in the shape as they were before they were put in the Connect. So this Connect now is basically joining all these 5 curves together so they'll be treated as a single object. Now we can go to our Create menu, and under Generators make another Extrude, and we can put the Connect into the Extrude. So now we can go to the Extrude and adjust some of the settings. So in its Object tab, I'm just going to make the depth of it, the movement value, I'm going to set that quite low. And if I want to, I can go into the Caps tab and maybe just add a little bit of rounding to those caps again so it's consistent with the other pieces. That looks a little too big. I used 0.02 last time. That's much better. So now we've got our letters extruded as a single piece using this Connect tool, and we've got our outlines extruded. One thing that you might notice from working this way is that we end up with some leftover groups. So I'm just going to delete those. I don't need those anymore. Let's get rid of them. So that's looking pretty good.